How do you make money with crypto? Huh? Disclaimer, this video is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. Now, cryptocurrency is like digital money that you could send and receive online. So you may have heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum. So, these are popular types of crypto, okay, the most popular. And the exciting part is that people can make money with cryptos in different ways. All right, one way is by buying crypto at a low price and selling it when it goes up. It's called trading. It's like buying toys or games and then basically selling them for more money later. Okay? So another way to make money with crypto is by mining. So mining is when you use a computer to basically check and keep track of crypto transactions. So if your computer helps out, you can earn crypto rewards. So it requires a lot of energy and, good equipment. Lastly, some people earn money by stacking their crypto, meaning like, you lock your crypto in a special place like a bank account, and in return you get crypto over time. So just remember that, crypto has a chance to make money. It could also go down in value, so always do your research, And leave me a like, leave me a comment, because as you know, we get what we give.